everyone. Today we'll learn how to convert fractions to decimals. Let's begin. Converting fractions to decimals, you should know that if the denominator is 10, then the decimal places will be only 1. So for example, we have 7 by 10. Now in this case, there is no decimal. So what we'll do, we'll consider decimal on the right side of 7. And we'll shift that only one digit, because when we have 1 0 in the denominator or we have only 10, we'll shift the decimal only one place. So it will shift like this, only one place. So we do not have any whole part. So we'll write 0 and we'll write decimal here. So your answer will be 0.7. Okay, so if we have denominator 100, number of decimal places will be 2. So for example, if we have 168 by 100, so decimal places after decimal, 2 digits will come. For that, let's consider decimal here on the right side, and it will shift only 2 digits, because in 100 we have only 2 zeros and we'll have only 2 decimal places. So for that, our arrow will start from right side and will shift to 2 digits here. So decimal will come here, that is between 1 and 6. So it will be 1.68. 1 is a whole number and 68 is the decimal part. Here we do not have any whole number, so that's why we have written 0.7. 0 was the whole part here. Now, if the denominator is 1000, the number of decimal places will be 3, because we have 3 zeros here. So decimal places will also be 3. So we have the example 43 by 1000. Now, in this case, we need 3 decimal places, but we have only 2 digits here in the numerator. But the decimal, which will shift from right side to left side, it will shift 3 digits. So what we'll do, we have to insert a 0 here. Where we'll add 0? On the right side or on the left side? If we'll add here on the right side, it will make it 430. But our number is 43. This is totally wrong. So we will add the 0 on the left side. So this will make us 043. It's remain 43. So now decimal will shift from right side to the left side. And how many digits? 3 digits. Like this, because we have 3 zeros in the denominator. So it means there is no whole part again. So it will be 0.043. Okay, let's do some examples. We have the example. We'll convert here the mixed fraction into decimals. So we have 9 whole number 3 by 10. In this case, 9 is a whole number and 3 by 10 will give us the decimal part. So in the decimals, we have the decimal part and the whole part. So we already have the whole part. We'll write 9 point. Now we have 1 0. It means after decimal, one digit will only come. So 9.3 is our answer. And we have only one digit in the numerator as well. Now 47, whole number 72 by 100. Again, in this case, 47 is a whole part. So it will come 47 point. Now 2 zeros are here. After decimal, 2 digits will come. So it means 47.72. So very easy. This is giving us the whole part. This is giving us the decimal part. And 2 zeros means after decimal, 2 digits will come. So here we have 93 whole number 241 by 1000. Again, 93 is the whole part. That is 93 point. So we have 3 zeros. It means 3 decimal digits or 3 decimal places will come. So 93.241 is our answer. So what you need to do, it's very easy. Just you need to check out the whole parts in the mixed fraction. That will give you the whole part. Whole numbers will give you the whole part. And the denominator with 10, 100 and 1000 will give you the decimal part. If it's 10, after decimal, you'll write only one digit. If it's 100, you'll write 2 digits. If it's 1000, you'll write 3 digits. Let's see some more examples. Now, in this case, we'll have improper or proper fraction and we'll convert it into decimals. Now, 71 by 10. So we have 1 0 here. It means the decimal place will be only 1. So decimal, we'll consider decimal here, right side. It will shift only one digit because 1 0 is here. So it will be like this. So answer will be, we have the whole part 7.1. Now B part. We have 823 by 100. So we have two zeros here. So decimal places will be 2. From the right side, it will move to 2 digits around. So it will go like this from right to left, 2 digits. So answer will be 8.23. So decimal will come here. So 8.23. Okay, next question we have 921 by 1000. Again, we have 3 digits in the zeros. So 3 digits will come after decimal. So we'll consider decimal this side. It will shift from right to left. So 3 digits because 3 zeros are there in the denominator. So answer will be, so here we'll shift and answer will be 0.921 because we do not have any whole part. Here we have the whole part because decimal we are writing here. So it means 8 is our whole part, 8.23. But here there is nothing after this, before this arrow. So that's why we are writing 0.921. So moving to the next example, we have 2 by 10. In this case, we have denominator 10. It means 1 0 means we'll have only one digit after decimal. So for that, the decimal, let's consider decimal here. It will shift from right to left, only one digit around. So answer will be 0.2. 5 by 100. Now in this case, you do not have two digits because in the zeros we have two digits and we have to move decimal two digits around. But here we have one digit. We have to add 1 0 on which side, right side or left side. If we'll add right side, it will make it 50, which is not our question. It's 5. So we'll add on the left side. It will remain 5. 0, 5 is 5 only. But we have at least two digits in the numerator because we need the two digits. So the decimal will shift the two digits around. So it will start from right to left. So here's no whole part. It will be 0.05. Okay, now we have the C part 17 by 1000. Again, we have three digits, but above in the numerator, three zeros, and above in the numerator, we have only two digits. So I need three. How I can make it three? By adding 0 on the left side because it will make it 17 only. So always we can add the zeros on the left side while shifting. So here the decimal will be shifted from right to left. So how many digits? Three digits because we have three zeros in the denominator. We have 1000 here. So three digits will be shifted. So answer will be 0.017. Okay, if we'll not have denominators 10, 100 or 1000, then what we'll do? So we here in the above examples, we have the denominator 10, 100 or 1000. But in the coming examples, we'll not have the denominator 10, 100 and 1000. So in that case, we'll make them 10,000 or 100, the denominators. For example, we have the question 5 by 2. Here in this case, you can see this denominator is 2. It's not 10, it's not 100, it's not 1000. How we'll solve that? For that, we'll make it 10. So you know what number I'll multiply 2 with to get 10. What I'll multiply 2? 2 5s are 10. So whatever I'll multiply with denominator, I'll multiply the same number with the numerator like we have done in the equivalent fraction. So 2 will be multiplied with 5 because I want the denominator 10. 2 5s are 10 and then 5 will be multiplied with 5. So 5 5s are 25, 25 by 10. So I have 1 0 in the denominator. So decimal will move only one digit from right to left. It means it will go like this. So answer will be 2.5. Okay, next question I have 11 by 4. So denominator is 4. It's not 10, 100 or 1000. Let's make 4 10. We can't make 4 multiplying any number with 4 to make 10. So we can make 100. How? If you do not know, divide 100 with 4 and you'll get your answer. So I know it. When I multiply 4 with 25, I'll definitely get 100. So 4 will be multiplied 25 and I'll get 100. Same number will be multiplied with the numerator as well. So 11 25s are 275 and 425s are 100. So I have the denominator 100 in this case again. So two zeros, decimal will shift from right to left, two digits. So answer will be 2.75. So now in this case, 7 by 50. What I multiply 50 with to get either 10, 100, or 1000. I cannot get 10, but I can get 100. So 50 will be multiplied with 2 and I'll definitely get 100. So whatever I'm multiplying with denominator, same will be multiplied with the numerator. So 7 twos are 14, 50 twos are 100. So 14 by 100. So there are 2 digits in the denominator. Decimal will shift 2 digits. That means from right to left 2 digits. So it's like this. So answer will be 0.14. Very easy. Okay, moving to the next part. We have 3 by 8. Now this time we have 8 denominator. So let's make it 10. I cannot make. Let's make it 100. Not possible. But yeah, I can make 1000 by multiplying 8 with some number. Which number? You can divide 1000 with 8 and you will get quotient 125. So I know it. When I multiply 8 with 125, I'll get 1000. So same will be multiplied with the numerator. So 3 multiply 125, 8 multiply 125. This case, I got 1000 and 3 multiply 125 will give me 375. So 375 by 1000. So what I'll get, 3 digits in the denominator and I'll shift decimal from right to left, 3 digits around. So my decimal will be 0.375. So I have converted 3 by 8 into decimal. That is 0.375. Now 120 by 5. What I multiply 5 with to get 10, 100 or 1000. It's better to make 10. It's very easy. If you multiply it with 2, you know you'll get 10 in the denominator and you'll multiply same number with the numerator. Pause the video, solve it yourself, then check your answer with me so that you should know that you are correct or not. Okay, so let's start. You must have done. Now you can check with me. So 5 will be multiplied with 2 and 120 will also be multiplied with 2. So now I have 120 multiplied 2, that is 240 by 10. So I have only 1 0 in the denominator. It means decimal will shift only 1 digit. So it will shift this. So answer will be 24.0. Okay, moving to the F part. This time we have mixed fraction. And when we have mixed fraction, we do not have denominator 10, 100, 1000. We'll convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction first. How to convert? If you do not know, check out my that video. I'll share link in the description. Just check out that how to convert mixed to improper fraction. We have discussed how to do that orally. So how 25 twos are 50, 50 plus 1 is 51 by 25. So first go there, check that video and then come back here. If you do not know how to convert mixed to improper. Now what I'll multiply 25 to get 100. So it's 4. I know already. So numerator will be multiplied with the same number. So 51 fours are 204 and 25 fours are 100. Now 2 zeros are here. So decimal will shift right side only 2 digits around. So it's like this. So decimal will be here. 2.04 is my decimal number. So 2 whole number 1 by 25. My answer will be 2.04. Now, what if you're not able to convert the fraction, to convert the denominator 10, 100 or 1000, then what you will do? For that, you need to divide. And that you'll learn in the division of decimals. So I think it's clear that questions that I'll make a separate video for the division of decimals where you'll convert the fraction into any fraction into decimal numbers. But here, when you are able to make the denominator 10, 100 and 1000, go for it. Your answer will be definitely correct. This is the easiest way to solve. Okay. Now it's your time to do some workout. You just need to write yes or no. If it's true, write down yes. If it's false, write down no. So 89 by 10, converted into decimal, it will be 8.9. So is that correct? Just check this out. 2 zeros are here and decimal places should be how many? So if it's correct, write down yes in the comment section. If it's no, write down no in the comment section. I'll check your answers later. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.